Your browser game can earn money while you sleep. Even a tiny one, running in a stranger's tab on the far side of the world. No app store. No publisher. No upfront cost to the player. This is the real business model behind HTML5 and Phaser games. And here is exactly how the money reaches you. One quick, honest note before we start. Everything in this video is free, no wall, no catch. If you actually want to build and ship games like this, I put together a Phaser game dev bundle. 10 complete games you can reskin and publish. $19, link in the description. Totally optional. The full playbook is right here. So, how does a free browser game turn into real income? There are 3 main ways a browser game makes money. Almost every earning game uses one of them, or all 3 at once. Path 1 is game portals. Sites like Poki, CrazyGames, and GameDistribution host your game for millions of players, and share the money it earns. Path 2 is ads. Short video and banner ads run inside the game, and every view pays a little. Path 3 is licensing. A portal or sponsor pays you a flat fee, sometimes thousands of dollars, for the right to host your game. Here is the key idea to hold on to. These stack. The same game can sit on a portal, run ads, and be licensed, 3 income streams from a single build. Let us walk through each path, and follow the money. Start with portals, the engine of the whole model. A game portal is a website whose entire job is to host browser games and gather a huge audience. Poki is one of the largest, with tens of millions of players every month. CrazyGames and GameDistribution are big names too, alongside classics like Newgrounds. You submit your finished HTML5 game. They embed it on their site, put it in front of players, and handle the hard part, the traffic. So how does the money actually flow? Follow it, step by step. A player opens your game and watches an ad. The advertiser pays the portal. The portal keeps a slice, and shares the rest with you, the developer. CrazyGames, for example, splits its ad revenue 50-50 with the developer. Other portals vary, but the shape is the same. You earn a share of what your game brings in. That share adds up, and the portal pays you, usually once a month, once you cross a minimum payout. On CrazyGames, that threshold is $100, sent by PayPal. No servers to run. No ad deals to negotiate. The portal does the heavy lifting, and you take a cut. Those ads come in 3 flavors, and the difference really matters for your income. First, banner ads. A small, static ad sits at the edge of the screen while you play. They earn the least, think fractions of a cent per view, but they are always on. Second, interstitials. A full-screen ad that plays at a natural break, between levels, or after a game over. They pay more than banners, because they have the player's full attention for a few seconds. Third, and the best of the 3, rewarded video. The player chooses to watch a short ad in exchange for a reward. Extra coins. A second life. Doubling their score. Rewarded ads pay the most, and players genuinely like them, because they opted in, and got something for it. In practice, the portal hands you an ad SDK. That is a small piece of code you drop into your game. It handles the ad network for you, so you just decide where the ad moments go. Design those moments well, and rewarded video becomes your biggest single earner. Now the path people forget, licensing. Instead of earning slowly from ads, a portal or sponsor pays you a flat fee upfront to host your game. There are 3 kinds of deal. Exclusive. Only that one portal gets your game, nobody else can host it. Because they get sole rights, exclusive deals pay the most, often several $1,000s for a single game. Non-exclusive. You keep the right to license the same game to many portals. Each deal pays less on its own, but you can stack a dozen of them for one build. And primary, or site lock. This is the middle option. The portal gets top billing, and your game is branded and locked to their domain, but you keep some rights elsewhere. So which should you choose? Non-exclusive is usually the smart default. One game, licensed to many portals, plus add revenue on top of each. Exclusive is worth it only when the upfront check beats all that stacked income. So here is the realistic playbook, how indie devs actually make this pay. Step 1. Build once, in HTML5 or Phaser. It runs in any browser, on any portal, with no install. Step 2. Add the portal's add SDK, and place a few rewarded moments, a revive, a double reward, a continue. Step 3. Submit that one game to several non-exclusive portals. Now it earns ad revenue on all of them at the same time. Step 4. Design for short sessions. Browser players arrive for a quick hit. Make it fast to start, easy to replay, with clear points to offer a rewarded ad. And now the honest truth. Most single games earn modestly, a trickle, not a fortune. The devs who do well run a portfolio. 10 games, each a small stream, add up to a real one. That is the whole game. Build a library, spread it across portals, and let the streams compound. Let us lock it in. Browser games make money 3 ways. Portals host your game and share the revenue. Ads pay per view, banner, interstitial, and the king, rewarded video. And licensing pays a flat fee, exclusive, non-exclusive, or site-locked. The money flows from advertiser, to portal, to you, paid out monthly, once you clear the threshold. And the winning move is a portfolio. One build, many portals, many small streams stacked into one real income. That is how browser games really make money, portals, ads, and licensing, stacked across a portfolio. If you want to start shipping, my Phaser Game Dev bundle is 10 complete games you can reskin. Add an ad SDK, then submit them across portals. $19, link in the description. The full written guide is linked there too. Subscribe for more game dev and how the money works breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.